Taking care about the customer's demands, that's important. Our customers want to be professional and they want to learn how to install quickly, and who knows it better than us. So this is why we have implemented customer trainers to serve our customers. First of all, what we do is we do not really talk about only the product and its name and where to get it or how much is it, but I'm talking about the solution. We invest a lot of time to explain and train people about stuff that is not really the product. So for example, what about the legal background of installing a PV plant to meet technical approvals? Who is involved into the installation? Who are the players? Who takes over what kind of responsibility by law? And we are also informing the customers about the latest development of wind tunnel tests, how this affects the ballasting. How is it possible to bring a group reaction on a ballast perspective? How do different kind of roof types, because there is not only roofs which is a rectangular roof, you know, where we have different circumstances, obstacles and stuff. So bringing professional answers to the customers all around the solar mounting systems. They're getting into details, they want to know more, you know, and they receive the answers. That's important.